Stop hunting and pecking and learn how to touch type today.
With lots of practice using proper technique, you too can keyboard with lots of speed and accuracy. Let's begin our lesson now. The learning goal states that students need to demonstrate sufficient command of keyboarding skills with proper technique according to grade level expectations. Note that each workstation is equipped with I can statements that can also be found on www.crazy4computers.net. Boys and girls, let's stand up in front of your chairs. Notice that students are not standing behind their chairs. Boys and girls, make sure your feet are both flat on the floor, heel to toe. Boys and girls, please sit down, keeping both your feet flat on the floor. Sit up tall so that your back is not leaning too far back in the chair and not leaning too far forward. Please pull your keyboard to the very edge of the table and center letter N to your belly button. Find letter N, point to it, and then make sure it's in line with your belly button. Make sure you leave about 6 inches from your body to the table. You can use your I can statements sideways to make sure that you have the proper space between you. Let's find home row. Everybody show me both of your pointer fingers in the air. Now pretend that your pointer fingers are keyboarding antennas. Use your keyboarding antennas to feel the bumps on the F and J keys. Now spread the rest of your fingers out into home row. Make sure those thumbs are resting on spacebar. With both thumbs resting on the space bar, the home row keys are A, S, D, F, J, K, L, and semicolon. Take out your speed skins, take them off the tray, place them on your keyboard properly. Find your antennas again. Go ahead and put your hands up. And go down and feel the bumps that are on that speed skin for F and J. And then go ahead and put the rest of your hands in home row. Make sure your elbows are by your side. Could you pass the keyboarding quarter test? If you don't have a Speedskin keyboard cover at home, you can make your own cover by cutting the side edge of a clothing box and putting it over your keyboard. Please refer to the student keyboarding rubric often to ensure that you are always using proper keyboarding technique. Remember, practice accuracy before speed.